Hello everyone. Today we are discuss about the mixture and type of mixture which we take from the ninth class book and second chapter. First I will ask some question for the engagement. First, can anyone tell me what is juice? Juice is a mixture of fruits which we drink as an energy drink. Second, when you drink juice, what type are constituents in the juice? I hope you give me the answer like ma'am. It in the juice constituents are sugar, ice, fruits like apple, orange, pulp, etc. Juice is a mixture of sugar, ice, fruits. Next question. What is mixture? Mixture. In the mixture, two or more component exist. Juice is an example of mixture because in the juice mixing of more than one components are exist. Soil is also example of mixture. Today we are discuss about the mixture and type of mixtures. What is mixture? Mixture is a combination of different things. Means when we combine two things we obtain one substance, that is called mixture. Mixture is a substance that is made by mixing other substance together. When we mix the substance and in the result we gain or we obtain one substance, that is called mixture. Third one, mixture are constituted by more than one kind of pure form of matter known as a substance. Later we are discuss mixture are a combination of different things or it is a mixture of more than one compound. The constituent that are constituted are pure form of matter, that is known as substance, and these substance cannot be separated into other kinds of matter by an physical process. Mixture is a combination of two to more compound. In this picture you can see in the funnel more than one compound are mixing with each other. When they three are mixing with each other, that result we obtain, that is called mixture. Example of mixture: flour and water combine to form a mixture. Sugar and water form a mixture. Marbles and salt may be combined to form a mixture. Smoke is mixture of solid particle and gases. Mud is mixture of dirt and water. Sea water is a mixture of water and salt. Sea foam is a mixture of oxygen and water. In the kitchen, when our mom and we are mixing the flour and water, and after that we obtain the mixture of flour and water. Sugar and water, when we mixing the sugar in the glass of water, that time we also obtain the mixture compound. These all are the examples of mixture. Mixture is classified into two compound: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Mixture are classified in based on how uniform they are and on the particle size of components relative to each other. Homogeneous mixture: homogeneous mixture have a uniform composition and phase throughout their volume. Example, air. And heterogeneous mixture do not appear uniform and may consist of different phases. Example, liquid and gas. In homogeneous mixture the constituent and composition are uniform, means same composition through their volume, but in heterogeneous do not same constituent in the mixture. Homogeneous mixture we do not see with the naked eye, but heterogeneous mixture we see with the naked eye. When we mixing the soil and water, soil particles are seen in the glass of water. That is an example of heterogeneous mixture. But when we mixing the salt and water, the salt particle are properly mixing in the in the water. That is called homogeneous mixture. Difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous and heterogeneous, these are solutions. Homogeneous are solutions, but heterogeneous are called suspensions, colloids. Homogeneous are uniformly distributed. Heterogeneous are unevenly distributed. Homogeneous are not visible to the naked eye. That are, we earlier discussed that homogeneous we do not see with the naked eye. But heterogeneous are easily visible to the naked eye and also through the microscope. Homogeneous particles appear smaller in size, but heterogeneous either smaller or larger in size. They cannot have physical distinct parts. In homogeneous mixture are cannot have physically distinct part, do not has a different parts, but in heterogeneous they have a physically distinct part. These are the differentiations of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous or homogeneous mixture may also be described according to the particle size of the component. First is a solution, second is a colloid, third is a suspension. Solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. In this line, first we discuss about the solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture that we earlier discussed. What is homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture is a mixture of same component or the constituent are similar in the through their volume. Salt solution called alloys. Alloys are mixture of two or more metals or a non-metal and cannot be separated into their component by physical method. In the alloys, we do not separate the constituent in the by the physical method. Example: a solution of sugar in water is a solid in liquid solution. In this solution, sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. A solution of iodine in alcohol known as tincture of iodine has iodine solid as the solute and the alcohol as the liquid, which is our solvent. These are the example of solution. Solution is a mixture of solute and solvent. Always solute is a less in quantity and solvent is a much quality or higher in quantity. In the example of sugar and water, sugar is a solute and water is a solvent. Properties of solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture and contains very small particle size, means less than 1 nanometer in diameter. A solution is a physically stable and component cannot be separated by decanting or centrifuging the sample. First property, it is a homogeneous. Second property, it is a very small in size. And solution is physically stable. It cannot be separated by decanting or centrifuging sample. Because of very small particle size, they do not scatter a beam of light passing through the solution, so the path of light is not visible in the solution. Means due to the very small in size, it is not scattered. Beam of when we pass the beam of light, it is not scattered. So the path of light is not visible in the solution. Four property. What is property of solution? First is a homogeneous, second is smaller particle size, third it cannot be separated by centrifuging sample, third it is very smaller size, that's why the b it is not scatter beam of light. Next one is a colloid. A colloid solution appear homogeneous to the naked eye, but particles are apparent under microscope magnification. It is also homogeneous, but when we see under the microscope, it is visible. Particle size range from 1 nanometer to 1 micrometer. Like solution collider are physically stable, they exhibit the Tyndall effect. Colloidal component cannot be separated using descentations but may be isolated by centrifugation. In the solution, it cannot be separated by descentations and also not separated by the centrifugal. But in the colloidal component cannot be separated using descentations, but it may be isolated by centrifugation force. Example of colloid include hairspray, gas, smoke, whipped cream, and blood. These are the examples of colloidal solution. Properties of colloidal: it is a heterogeneous mixture. The size of the particle of colloid is too small to be individually seen by naked eyes. Colloidals are big enough to scatter a beam of light passing through it and make its path visible. They do not settle down when left undisturbed. That is, a colloidal is quite stable. These all are the properties of colloidal solution. Third one is the suspension. Suspension particles in suspensions are often large enough that the mixture appear heterogeneous. In the suspension, particles of solute are large in quantity. That's why the mixture appear heterogeneous. The particles, solute particles, we see with the naked eye. Stabilizing agents are required to keep the particle from separating. Like colloidal suspension exhibit the Tyndall effect. Suspension may be separated using either descentations or centrifugation. Means it is separated by both method, descentations and centrifugations. Example of suspension include dust in air, mud, sand. These all are the example of suspensions. Properties of suspension: suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. The particle of suspension can be seen by the naked eye. The particle of suspension scatter a beam of light passing through it and make its path visible. These are the picture of solution, colloidal and suspension. First is the size is less than 1 nanometer. That is the example of solution. In this solution, the particle of solute and solvent similar in size and throughout the similar in the all the volume, and do not see with the naked eye. But second is the colloidal solution. In colloidal solution, some particles are small, some are larger. The larger size of particles are solute. That is, that particles we see under the naked eye or see under the microscope. Third one is the suspension. All particles are larger, that we see with the naked eye, and also separated with the centrifugations force. These three difference between the solution, colloidal and suspension. Here we can see the size difference also. First, solution is a size less than 1 nanometer, and colloidal size between 1 to 100 nanometer, and in the suspension the size of particle is more than 100 nanometer. When we mix two compound, if we see solution, in solution we do not see any another particles. It is a mixture of two compound, but we do not see any another particle. In the suspension we see these particles, and in precipitation, when we precipitate, the particle of suspension put down towards the surface. Okay, this is the time of valuations. First student, tell me what is mixture. I hope that time you are clear. It is combination of elements to make a new substance, a chemically compound substance, a combination of substance where new substance are formed through a reaction, a combination of substance in which the atom of the substance do not chemically compound. I hope your answer is A. A combination of elements to make a new substance. Second question. A substance that contains only one type of atom. One type of atom is called compound, element, heterogeneous mixture or homogeneous mixture. I hope your answer is D. Homogeneous mixture. Which of these is a pure substance? Bread, table salt, garden, soil and seawater. Out of these, which is a pure substance? You will give me the answer of these questions. And third is the beam of light passing through the suspension or not. The beam of light passing through the suspension or not. This question we discussed earlier. The beam of light passing through the suspension is yes. Here answer is yes. That is the A. Which process we separate the colloidal solution? Filtration, centrifugation, both, none of these. I hope your answer is both. Thank you everyone.